welcome back to Pretty DIYs. This is Rye, and I'm going to be doing a tutorial on 2 glass vases. I'm going to be decorating them, so if you want to see how this tutorial turns out, stay tuned.
Watching a soap opera, I feel your hands on my body. Wish we were getting naughty. Oh, I'm just getting started. Thinking about how you feel so right. Been dreaming all night. Could you be mine? We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy. It's like something out of a movie. You see right through me. It's like you already knew me. We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy. We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy. Tonight, I don't wanna come across impolite, but I'm ready. Hey, baby, come and show me how it's done. It's just you and me, one-on-one, nice and dirty. Baby, come and be with me tonight. I don't wanna come across impolite, but I'm ready. Oh, baby, come and show me how it's done. It's just you and me, one-on-one, nice and dirty. One-on-one, 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 one-on-one,
So at this moment, I am done with this DIY. I'm adding some flowers, and I'm also gonna insert some pictures so you can see how it looks with the flowers. But if you can give me a like and comment in the comment section if you will be trying this DIY, or if you like the DIY or whatever, just let me know. And also thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.